Hi there, I'm Poppy, and I'm here to teach you about the letter T. Let's go! This is the letter T. Hey, let's learn the sound the letter T makes. To make the letter T sound, you'll start with your mouth slightly open, with your tongue touching the roof of your mouth just behind your upper front teeth. Then you'll let out a puff of air, like this. T, t, t. Can you try it? Go on. Excellent. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter T sound. Taco, tiger, tent, ticket, turtle. Those words all start with the letter T sound. Can you say those words with me this time? Taco, tiger, tent, ticket, turtle. Nice work. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter T sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word train, train, and then ask you if it starts with the letter T sound, you would say, yep, it sure does. But if I were to say the word waffle, waffle, and then ask you if it starts with the letter T sound, you would say, nope, waffle does not start with the letter T sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Teacher. Does teacher start with the letter T sound? Yep, it sure does. Now for your second word. Toothbrush. Does toothbrush start with the letter T sound? Yes, toothbrush does start with the letter T sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Fish. Does fish start with the letter T sound? Nope, fish does not start with the letter T sound. Great job, guys. Thanks so much for joining me today to learn about the letter T sound. See you later.